The global chip shortage affects everything from cars to consumer electronics as manufacturers vie for a slice of the silicon pie. Speaking at the annual convention of the Taiwan Semiconductor Industry Association on October 19, the HTC president for the Asia Pacific, Charles Huang, told TVBS that every company is impacted. Yet, the shortage could also create new opportunities for manufacturers.
We do see a good opportunity because VR industry is relatively small if you compare to smartphone or PC industry.
Yes.
So we have very good relationship with all the components vendors. So that will help us to secure the supply for quite some time. So up until lately, we don't see that impact our business so far.
HTC has been doing extremely well in recent months and years with the latest products which have been well received on the market. But if the industry keeps expanding, you cannot maybe expect more competitors on the market. So are you ready to face more competition in this very, I think, growing industry?
Well, that depends on how we see the market. In 2015, when we start entering this market, I mean the VR and metaverse market, we had set a goal. We are not only doing hardware devices, but many people know HTC about our hardware, our smartphone, our VR headset.
Yes.
But actually, we invested a lot in content, software, and also platform.
Yeah.
So if you look at the whole ecosystem, we actually welcome all the competition because that will make the industry better. We will see more applications coming into this industry. So it really depends how you see the market. Right now, we want more partners to come in this market to work with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you also mentioned some of the latest HTC products, including one that you said just weigh a couple of 100 grams.
Yes.
So, well, is this also a new, the future trend of the industry? Lighter products, easy products you can carry everywhere and anytime.
Well, there is a few stages of the development. At the beginning, you need to connect to VR PC. You have a core that's a tethered product. We call it PC VR. And then the next stage is we call it all-in-one. You use the chipset and wireless connection, connect to the content.
Okay.
And now the trend is going to lighter, tiny, and thinner. But there's one thing we need to overcome is the battery size because you need power, but you also don't want the weight of the battery around your head, right? So that's something we need to overcome.
Okay.
But yes, the industry trend is going to lighter weight, yes.
Okay. You announced new products earlier this year.
Yeah.
You've been doing pretty well in the first 3 quarters. What are the prospects for the last quarter of this year and maybe for next year for HTC?
We do see a lot of new applications coming in, and we also see a lot of different industry, different companies. They are more willing to take VR as an application. So the speed has been accelerating in the past 2 years, I would say. And that's also because of COVID. People become less travel, but they still need to do the business, right?
Okay. Yes.
So that pushed the development of these, I will say, virtual meeting application.
With virtual reality headsets getting lighter, smaller, and thinner, HTC is poised to deliver a more immersive yet socially acceptable VR experience. These advancements will translate into a better, more integrated experience for VR users, as well as a mass adoption of the technology into our daily lives. Dimitri Boyas, TVBS English News.